everyone, welcome back to my channel Omriyas Creations. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make DIY coasters out of cardboard and cement. This awesome idea for DIY coasters makes great gift to have on hand. So let's get into the video.
So first we need a piece of cardboard. Draw a circle on it according to your size. Draw a small circle if you want smaller coaster and then cut it out. Next I'm taking one tissue paper and going to cover the cardboard circle with tissue paper. I'm using glue to stick it well. And now cutting the extra tissue paper with scissors. That's how we have to cover both the sides with tissue paper. You can see I have covered it well with tissue paper. Next I'm taking cement in this small container and going to apply it on the circle. Now you can see the cement has fully dried up and it took almost a day to dry. So the next step is coloring, and for that here I'm using white acrylic color. You can also use chalk paint. Chalk paint dries faster and they also have different color shades. I don't have chalk paints now, but I will definitely buy it. Lastly, taking black marker to draw any design on the coaster. If you guys like to watch such videos, then please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID will be somewhere on the screen. And here my coaster is ready. I had already made more few coasters like this. I have drawn different designs on each coaster. I have simply drawn faces on each coaster. I think anyone can make this design in a very simple way.
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I have worked really hard to create this whole video. So please make sure to subscribe my channel for more such videos.